Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. We're just going to be bagging up some rainbow bath fizz. Now what we've got in here is some bath bombs that didn't work out. So there's a mixture of all kinds of different ones here. Most of it is the lime and coconut, but we've got just all different fragrances. Aura, we've got Love Spell, we've got the lavender in there, just looking at the colours. We've got some white in there, which, that would be sweater weather. So there's at least 5 or 6 different fragrances and colours in here. So I bought these Ziploc bags, which are absolutely enormous, and we're getting at least 450 grams of bath crumble in there. Again, these are only £3.50 on the website, but we're very limited to how many we've got, so I'm going to bag however many I will need today. There might just be 5. We might just get 5 there. And then once they're gone until I've got some more, basically. So I've got one of my labels here. And I'm just on printing some more, but I've run out of gold foil, so most of the labels won't have gold foil on them, just one of them. This is one problem with these labels, coloured labels from online labels. They haven't got a lip on. They seem to have like a squiggle down the back of the A4 sheet that enables you to tear it off. But if you're making long slim labels like this, I'm having to use a scalpel to open them and put my glasses on. It seems to take quite a while. So that's the other labels printing there now. So I'm just popping this label right on the center where the window is, and just fold that over. It doesn't fit all the way around, meaning it doesn't meet in the middle here, but it doesn't matter. So I'm just opening up the bag, and then it's got a nice flat stand on the bottom. And I'm just going to take a soup label to fill them. So I'm just holding open the top like so. Just take a scoop and just keep filling it up. Right, that might do, because we've got to be able to actually close the lid. So I'm just going to weigh it, make sure I've got at least 450 grams in the bag. Well, there's 500 in there, so I'm going to tip a little bit out. We've got 459, so I'm just going to clip that Ziploc shut. And you can heat seal here, but I don't actually have a heat sealer. Has anybody got any tips on how you can heat seal this together without a heat sealer? I have a heat sealer, but heat sealers, all the heat sealers I've ever bought don't last 2 minutes, just a couple of months and that's it, they're broken. I don't know whether it blows the fuse or what goes on. Right, so before I go any further, I'm just going to cut the labels so you can see what they look like without the foil. Quite a few of you are wanting to see me do some foiled labels, and of course I will when I get some new foil. So for foil you absolutely have to use laser ink. Inkjet ink doesn't work unless there's some sort of foil system comes out that does actually work on inkjet. So you will need yes, you will need a laser printer to do it. So instead of all this being black, all this writing is usually black because the foil adheres to the black better than it does to any colour, any other colour. The darker it is, the better. But I'll explain all that in the video where I'm actually making some foil labels. For now, this isn't a foil label. So I've changed the colours to like a goldy colour, just to try and match that gold foil that I had on the other label. And I'm just cutting the labels out like so. Now I use Print Shop 2 to make my labels, but I really wouldn't suggest it. It's very, very old-fashioned, and I'm sure there are lots of other label programs out there that are better. In fact, if you would like to suggest to me another label program that's better than Print Shop 2, please do so in the comments. Online labels are quite good. They actually have a few label templates already done that you can change the text on. But again, that's something we'll do in another video sometime. Right, so that's those labels done. We'll cut this second lot here, but I'm not sure I will even need them, but we'll do it just for the purposes of the video. It's a long time since you've seen me cut labels, and I really actually enjoy cutting labels. I find it very therapeutic. But I don't do it the way I used to do it in the olden days. The reason I used to do it like that is because I wanted pearl paper. So I would always have to double sticky tape the back of the paper to make the labels. Well, I'm not so fussy on having the pearl paper. And actually, it's a lot, the lettering and everything is a lot crisper if you just print onto flat paper, whether it's white or coloured. Right, there you go. So that's the labels done. I've got 10 there. I won't need any more than that, that's for sure. I mean, they'll come in for next time. And we'll just continue. I've got to put my glasses on for this as well, because my eyes are not what they used to be. So you see how fiddly and what a palaver packing is. And that still looks alright. I just love the foil though. I just want to thank Nicole from the Kissing Duck Soap Company also, who's found, let me know of somewhere I can get some boxes that will fit my bath bombs. So thank you, Nicole. You are so kind to let me know. So when I can afford to buy some, I'll buy some. Uh-oh, that one is no good. A lot of time labels have like a cut down the side, so it makes it really easy to peel a label off. But oh, this is one of them. This must be the one that goes right down the back of the label, and I think it's absolutely stupid. It's like a squiggle cut so that you can peel it off, but look how many pieces you've got to peel off. I mean, obviously it's an A4 label and it's intended for A4 use, but I don't think they sell labels that are long and thin like this that fit my label program size. So these are all the things that you got to try and find out and work out if you're going to be making and selling soap. Right, I think we'll just get some more of this packed up now. There are even a few rose petals in here because there'll be some of the rose petal bath bomb crumbles in there. 447, so we'll put another little scoop in. 466. So you can see how big they are. I mean, that's my hand. So they're absolutely enormous bags. And it's like 2 bath bombs that you're getting for $3.50. But I know they won't be there for 2 minutes, so if you want any, you better get on and get them bought now. I could be wrong, but I have sold quite a few of them anyway. So it looks like we're going to get one more bag full and then we're done. That's John drilling upstairs. We still haven't finished the upstairs. The downstairs is more or less finished. We still have painting to do and obviously homewares and things like that, furniture to buy, but it's taken all of our money just to try and get the extension finished finally. If you've been watching me for a long time, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about right now. And if you have been watching me for a long time, thank you. whatever's left in this container, I'll just put it in a sealable bag and then keep it until I collect some more. So it's going to use up quite a lot actually. There we are. Well, there's hardly any left in there, just that much. So out of that we only managed to get 4 bags. So I'm going to add 4 to the quantity on the website right now, and hopefully by the time I upload the video there'll still be some left. For all I know they might not sell at all, but I have sold quite a lot lately, and this is the last of them for now. Okay, so that was a nice quick video for you today. I'll see you very soon for another one, and I haven't forgotten that I need to do these giveaways for my 50,000 subscribers. Alright, bye for now everyone.